Welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I am going to be talking to you about another kind of compositional thing. We're going to be talking about unity. Where does that come from? Prior to this, we did actually a whole series about the various elements of art. Line, shape, color, texture, value, pattern, all that kind of good stuff. From a fine art standpoint, those are generally the bullet points that they go through to kind of teach you about like the compositional elements and the various factors to consider when you're producing your work. I was thinking how interesting it is that if you are a graphic designer or illustrator or something like that, that they teach you similar concepts but kind of in a different way, which they call like the elements of design, which are balance and proportion, rhythm, emphasis, and unity, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Unity is actually finding your fixed focal point, but not having that be all that is said, so that all of the elements are working in harmony, okay? So yes, in this vacation photo that we are talking about here, yes, this orchid is the focal point. Yes, we have the, a really, really high point of contrast right here, focused there in the center. But that the unity is achieved because all of these other elements are secondary to the focal point, and they are all harmoniously working with the focal point. You actually have all of these other elements that are actually pointing right to the focal point. So that actually like provides unity in the composition when all of the other elements are working in unison to kind of bring the viewer's eye into one place, but also having secondary elements that are going on within the picture plane to kind of hold interest and move the viewer's eye throughout the picture plane. So it's not like, bang, here we go, we just got this one note. You have other things going on that aren't separate entities in and of themselves. They are working in unity with the subject, which is your main focus. So I hope that this was helpful and that you learned a little something, and we hope that you will enjoy.